Today I want a salad, but not an ordinary salad. I want to travel. I want to go to Crete and I want to have a Dako salad. I'm going to do it with bagel because it's going to be easier for everybody to do it with bagel, okay? Cut it in half. You can toast it if you want to make it more dry, or you can use it like this. I don't like it toasted. I'm going to use it like this so it can absorb all the oil and the tomato and everything. The Dako salad is a very popular salad. And if you want something different, that's what you're going to do. So I have 2 tomatoes diced and a little bit of onion, not too much onion. So I'm going to put some capers. I'm going to use oregano. My special oil, which I love. Just a touch. Olives. And then on top we're going to put some feta. So we're going to mix that very well. As you can see, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. When they do it in Greece, the tomatoes are nice and plump and they're in season and they're red, and actually they grate them and they use a soft cheese. But you can make it many ways, and I think I like my way. So what we're doing here now, we're just plating the salad on top of the bagel. Like this. And we're going to use some feta. And this is nice Greek feta, which is, oh, it's like butter. And it's not very salty, it's good. What you need to put on top is a bit of olive oil, some dill, like dill. I'm going to add some shrimp to this salad. This is nice fresh shrimp. And I marinated this shrimp with salt, pepper, a touch of olive oil, and lemon pepper. There you go. A few minutes on each side and they're ready. So have a nice day, everybody. This is Litsa.